Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the obvious connectivity controls. Check Wi-Fi, turn off airplane mode, and disable VPN temporarily. Next, inspect the router lights and reboot it by unplugging for 30 seconds. This clears many transient faults. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable between laptop and router to test wired access. That isolates wireless vs network issues. Make sure you have the router admin password accessible, so you can log in if IP or DHCP settings require inspection. You now run built-in diagnostics. Use Windows Network Troubleshooter or Mac OS Wireless Diagnostics to gather error details. Then open Device Manager or System Information and inspect the wireless adapter, update the driver from the vendor, or rollback if a recent update broke connectivity. Next, use command line networking. Release and renew DHCP lease and flush DNS cache to remove stale addresses. If that succeeds, test a different SSID or a mobile hotspot to confirm whether the laptop or the network is at fault. You finish with deeper resets. Run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset on Windows, then reboot to rebuild the network stack. On Mac OS, remove preferred networks and restart the Wi-Fi interface. If problems persist, test in safe mode with networking or create a new user profile to rule out corrupted settings. Make sure to back up Wi-Fi passwords and router configuration before a factory reset. If everything still fails, contact your ISP, explain your steps and error messages, and ask for line or provisioning checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.